Can you see the illusion? And see if maybe this Reaper powder can just gooi a little bit of a skop. Cheers! It's the chocolate is it's stunning. But I think the chocolate kills the burn a little bit. It is not hot. It is hot. It's not crazy hot. It's not Reaper hot or um, that type of heat. I enjoy it. I will definitely order me more of this. I will leave the link of his website in the description. You guys can go and have a look at it. And yeah, support him. And thank you so much for sending me this bottle. Straight from Hot Bay, Cape Town. I've got to say, it's got a little bit of bite, but now it can be the Reaper powders as well.